Figureheads, navigational instruments, reproductions of sailing boats, speedboats, and globes are a classic of nautical decoration. We wanted to put them together in this scene. The Masquerade Figurehead collection consists of 6 reproductions of mythical pieces. Each exists in 2 sizes. Wooden tables and stools allow us to display a part of our nautical instrument collection. These pieces are handmade with brass and tropical wood and are reproductions of instruments used by navigators, enabling them to calculate location in both time and space, and to be able to plot their routes on nautical charts. Some of these instruments, such as compasses or magnifying glasses, are still in use today. Others, such as telescopes or clocks, have been technically improved, and there are objects such as sextants that are no longer used for navigation but still hold their appeal at a decorative level. In the catalogue you will find a wide variety of products that complete this collection. We've selected a few classic sailing boats that participated in the America's Cup and some speedboats typical of the lakes of northern Italy to show you the quality and finishes of our models. These handmade pieces elegantly dress up any room. And we've saved our globes for the end. We have 3 different coloured globes, 4 reproductions of original maps from the 16th century, which we produced in 4 different diameters and that are attached to different table stands and can also be hung.